This is just a quick shot on the Rainex. You can see the truck's a little tall, and I could reach all the way over here from the driver's side. Then there's a blank spot right there where it's not beading up so well. Then it's beading up again on the passenger side. So clearly the Rainex part is what I could reach. And here in the middle, I couldn't reach it, so it's not beading up and running off like the Rainex side is. I think that kind of proves the point that Rainex is worth it. As you can see, it beads up enough that my visibility is far superior than even if I had the windshield wipers on low. This is an assistance, so if you have bad windshield wipers or if it's raining particularly heavily, the rain will bead up and roll off your windshield, which helps your windshield wipers work even more efficiently.